So once it's clean, you can put the rings back in. So you're gonna put the back in first. Once you're done that, you're gonna attach it back on. So you're gonna of course, you're gonna need to put this in. Then put this back on. So you can look on the other side to see which one you used, which one you used for the top and which one you used for the bottom. So it looks like I used this one. So you can put that in, and then you'll do the bottom. Just make sure it's straight and don't go too tight. So, and I'll do the bottom. So then you can see which one you used on the bottom. So, if you look there, we've used this one, which is right here, because if you look, these are pointing here, and this has the round parts. That's how you would tell that. And you want it closest to the inside of the RC. And once you've done that, you can going back to attaching that one right there. The axle. So the axle back in before I do that, just because you don't want to not be able to put this back in. Don't want to miss putting the axle back in. That's one of the important parts of this. Let me get that ready. Put it back in. Once that's back in, you can get this attached back onto as well. And that's going to be the one furthest down in the front. It's going to secure the axle. So you got to make sure that's straight as well, because you don't want to put it in on an angle. Once that's done, you can put this in the bottom, and that's what's going to steer it. So once you've done that, you can get this nut on here. Okay. Then get your pin. Put your pin back in. And you don't want to lose that, because that's small and easy to lose. And it's also a very important piece. So you want to line the part up with that. Once you've done that, you can put the wheel back on and line the nut up with the wheel. And once that's lined up, you can get it attached and put that back on.